Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling picture-in-picture so the video can float while you work. You must check settings General Picture-in-Picture, toggle it on. If you have YouTube Premium, the app supports background and PyP, use that. If not, open Safari and go to YouTube. Play the video, then swipe home or use the home gesture to move the player to a small overlay. Once done, position the window and continue to the next step for multitasking control. Now you control playback while running other apps. You can drag the picture-in-picture window to any corner, pinch to resize, and double-tap to snap it to preset sizes. This keeps visibility without blocking controls. Make sure to use Control Center or the floating player to pause, play, and seek quickly. This is faster than switching back. When you jump between Mail, Notes, or browsers, PyP stays on top, but be aware some apps force full screen and will hide the overlay. Keep that in mind. To finish, close the floating window with the X or swipe it off the screen to temporarily hide and pause playback. You can restore it from the edge. If PyP is blocked in the YouTube app, switch to Safari, request the desktop site, start the video, then trigger PyP. This is a reliable workaround. If PyP fails, force quit the app, toggle picture-in-picture in settings, and retry. That usually fixes stubborn cases. Make sure your iOS is updated, and then resume multitasking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.